Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting video on the YouTube channel English with Altaf. I'm Ikra.
And I'm Altaf. Today's video is all about motivation and determination. Our topic is, no one can stop me from learning English.
Yes, we're going to share a powerful conversation where we'll talk about common challenges people face while learning English and how to overcome them with confidence.
So if you've ever felt discouraged or thought English is too hard, this video is for you. Let's get started.
Altaf, many people think learning English is impossible for them. What do you say to that?
I always say, nothing is impossible if you really want to achieve something. English is a language, not a magic trick. Anyone can learn it with time, practice, and patience.
That's true. But sometimes people around us make fun of our mistakes. They laugh when we speak wrong English. How should we deal with that?
Great question, Ikra. The truth is, people will always have opinions. If we stop because of them, we will never grow. We must remember, no one can stop me from learning English. Not even fear, not even criticism.
Yes, I remember when I started learning English. I was nervous. I couldn't even say one full sentence. But now I feel proud because I didn't give up.
Exactly. Confidence doesn't come first. Practice comes first. Confidence comes later. The more we try, the better we become.
What are some common excuses people give for not learning English?
Oh, there are many. Some say, I don't have time. Others say, I'm too old to learn. Some even say, I'm not smart enough. But let me tell you something. These are just excuses. Where there is a will, there is a way.
So true. Learning English is like learning to ride a bicycle. At first, we fall. We make mistakes. But if we keep trying, we learn to balance.
Beautiful example. Ikra. We need to stop thinking about failure. Mistakes are part of learning. When a child learns to speak their first language, do they speak perfectly? No. They speak with mistakes, but they keep learning.
And that's the same with English. The more we listen, speak, read, and write, the more fluent we become.
That's why I always tell my students, don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now with what you have, where you are.
Let's talk about fear. Many learners are afraid of speaking English in front of others. Why does this happen?
It happens because we think we must be perfect. But perfection is not the goal. Communication is the goal. Even if your grammar is not 100% correct, it's okay. The other person will still understand you.
Yes, and the more we speak, the more confident we become. No one learned English in one day. It takes time and effort.
And we need to stop comparing ourselves to others. Everyone learns at their own pace. You are not in a race. You are on a journey.
So, Altaf, what should someone do if their family or friends don't support their learning?
They should keep going anyway. You are not learning English for them. You are doing it for yourself, for your future. Believe in yourself.
Yes, I learned English because I wanted to express myself better. I wanted more opportunities in life. And English opened many doors for me.
That's the power of English. It gives you confidence, new chances, and a better future. No one can take that away from you.
Sometimes people say, I'm from a poor background. I didn't go to English school. I can't learn. What would you say to them?
I would say, look around you. Many successful people came from poor families. They worked hard. They used free resources. Today we have YouTube, mobile phones, internet, books, all for learning. If you really want to learn, nothing can stop you.
That's so powerful. And we must remember, learning English is not about showing off. It's about growth.
Yes, it's not about impressing others. It's about expressing yourself. English gives you that voice.
Let's share a few tips with our viewers on how they can stay motivated.
Sure. Tip number 1, set a small goal every day. For example, learn 5 new words daily.
Tip number 2, don't be afraid to speak. Talk to yourself in English or speak with a friend who is also learning.
Tip number 3, watch English movies, listen to English songs, or follow English YouTube channels. Learn from real-life conversations.
Tip number 4, keep a notebook and write a few lines every day in English. It will improve your writing and thinking in English.
And tip number 5, never stop. Learning is a journey, not a destination.
Let's repeat our main message for today's video. No one can stop me from learning English. Say it with us, everyone. No one can stop me from learning English.
That's the spirit. Now let's quickly review what we've learned in this video.
We learned that learning English is possible for everyone. We talked about how to face challenges, how to stay motivated, and how to avoid fear.
We also shared useful tips and reminded you that it's okay to make mistakes. What matters is that you don't give up.
So remember, your journey is yours. Believe in yourself and keep moving forward.
Thank you for watching this video on English with Altaf. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content.
And if you have a story or a question, drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.
Take care and keep learning. Bye.